Muthenya umwe thutha wa wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Renson Gonga kwendekithio ria wari gavana wa kaunti ya Murang'a Mwangi Wa Iria NGONO agikuranio na ungumania wa ciringi milioni 140 riria ari gavana. Riu kamiti ya kuhurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini EACC ni uritie Wa Iria mari na mutumia wake na ikwirwo angi ATANDATU mekinyie wabici-ini cia kamiti ino muthenya wa RUCIU. Kuringana na munini wa murugamiriri wa kinyaniria kamiti-ini ya EACC Eric Gumbi, Wa Iria mutumia wake Jane Waigwe Kimanina ekwirwo angi ATANDATU magirwo ni kuroka wabici-ini cia EACC RUCIU kiroko gya thaa 2 hatari gutira.
Those suspects, that is Mwangi Wa Iria, his associates and the former county secretary, are currently at large. They are evading arrest. And therefore, EACC hereby directs all of them to report to the Commission at its headquarters located at Integrity Center in Nairobi. They are required to do so not later than 8 a.m. of Tuesday, 16th April 2024.
Wa Iria arakuruhanio na GUKU ya ciringi milioni 140 iria cierikanaga ciarihirwo kambuni ya Top Image Media Consultancy thutha wa kambuni ino kuheo kandarathi na njira ya ngungo ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a gatagati-ini ka mwaka wa kigina wa thirikari wa 2014-2015 na mwaka-ini wa 2015-2016.
Number 3, Ms. Jane Wanjiru, one of the directors in the company that was used as a conduit for that fraud and a close associate of the former governor. The company is called Top Image Media Consultancy that was used to execute the fraudulent scheme.
Ona kuri uguo Wa Iria ni ateanirie thitango ici akiuga arahurwo ni undu wa itumi cia giuteti na ndekuguoyo hiyo.
Nitatetemeshwa na hiyo mambo, nitapigana na hiyo na nitaendelea kutetea wa Kenya, wawe wa Kikuyu, wawe Wanamlembe, wawe kutoka dhehebu yoyote. Mimi nitapambana na wao.
O kahinda-ini o kau EACC NIIKIRITE MUKONDE GUIKIO NGONO kuria wari murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa National Museums of Kenya Mzalendo Kibuja mari na angi magikuranio na GUKU ya ciringi milioni 490 ruhonge-ini ruu. Kurerikana ekwirwo ya mahuthirire mbeca ici kuriha mishara ya aruti wira maigirira no mbeca ici gicoka kuhundurwo nginyagia mihuko-ini yao.
The 4 arrested persons are currently detained at the EACC Integrity Center Police Station. They will spend the night there pending arraignment before court tomorrow at 9 a.m. In this particular case, the suspects are 5. So there is 1 yet to be arrested, and that is the Director of Human Resource at the National Museums of Kenya, one Mr. Stanvas Ongalo Opinja.
Maya mokite riri ungumania ukoretwo kigwetwo ta muhinga munene hari uthii wa na mbere wa bururi kuona indo cia muingi ikoretwo ikiguna na turia nime naguo muingi wa bururi ugatigwo wikonotete utari na motungata mabata. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.